If you were looking for a method to clean up your process with how T&M works, this is your vacuum cleaner. From a T&M standpoint, the tickets, we were a old-fashioned paper ticket company. Perfect example is I just received 27 signed tickets for one project. Back in Excel format, that's 27 Excel spreadsheets I'm typing up. That's change orders I'm putting into Bluebeam to put the T&M tickets with. That's all time that I'm losing from being out in the field visiting jobs and interacting with our superintendents, and interacting with our clients. I can't speak highly enough about Clearstory. I love how simple the interface is, and really us making that transition from like the sample version to a full paid subscription like we have now. I think a lot of that was one of the suggestions that I made, that this would tremendously expedite our change order process. And when it did roll out to the field, I think the consolidation of the multiple items they needed to have a solid T&M ticket is what grew on everybody. Now with this app in front of me, I've got this iPad with me. There was no more of I gotta go sit in my truck, I gotta get a notepad, I gotta do all that. I've got this iPad, I can write them as I'm walking. Out in the field, guys have so many different things going on, from managing manpower to sitting in meetings with the GC. This simplifies it and eliminates the need to be in multiple places at one time. I love having that central area where I do everything. It took my life from I got to track down a T&M ticket. I need to have it scanned in. I got to type out an Excel spreadsheet. I got to go find pricing. I was able to put it all together in a couple of clicks, and that's really important for me. It saves me a tremendous amount of time.